Hey everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Today, we're diving into simple yet transformative ideas for your modern makeover that will refresh your living space without breaking the bank. To make things easy, you will find specific links to many products in the description bar down below. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. Imagine walking into a room where every detail reflects a perfect blend of functionality and style. That's the power of modern interior design. With a focus on clean lines and minimalism, it's all about making your space truly yours. First up, let's talk about lighting. It's not just about illuminating your space, it's about setting the tone. A clever hack is to replace traditional fixtures with bold, contemporary pieces. Think sculptural floor lamps or geometric pendant lights that become a focal point. Now, consider your walls. They're your blank canvases waiting for a touch of creativity. Instead of opting for expensive artwork, create a gallery wall of your favorite prints. Mix and match frames for an eclectic look that speaks volumes. Mirrors are not just for checking your reflection, they're a designer's secret weapon. Placing a large mirror in a small room instantly doubles the light and visual space, making your room appear larger and more inviting. Let's not forget about textiles. Swapping out throw pillows, curtains, or rugs can completely transform a room's vibe. Choose bold patterns or vibrant colors to add a dash of personality to a neutral space. Plants are nature's art. Incorporating greenery into your home not only adds color and life, but also improves air quality. From towering indoor trees to small succulents, there's a plant for every space and style. Storage can be stylish too. Think outside the traditional box and opt for open shelving, chic baskets, or vintage trunks. These options provide practical storage solutions while adding character to your home. Color plays a pivotal role in modern interior design. A fresh coat of paint can redefine a room. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold accent walls or pastel hues that can brighten up your space. Textural elements add depth and interest. Mixing materials like metal, wood, glass, and fabric can create a layered look that feels curated and sophisticated. The bathroom shouldn't be overlooked. Small updates like replacing old faucets, adding a stylish bath mat, or updating light fixtures can make a big impact without a full renovation. In the kitchen, open shelving can transform the space, making it feel larger and more open. Display your favorite dishes and glassware for a touch of personality and warmth. Remember, modern interior design is all about expressing yourself. It's not just following trends, but creating a space that reflects your personality and meets your needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey to elevate your space with these DIY home decor hacks. Your home is your sanctuary, and with these simple changes, you can create a modern interior that's both beautiful and uniquely yours. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button for more home decor inspiration. See you next time.